How do we use arrays to write a factor list? We will find the arrays for the number 24. Let's look at the first one. This array has 1 row and 24 columns. So the dimensions are 1 by 24. Let's look at another array for 24. This array has 2 rows and 12 columns. So the dimensions are 2 by 12. Here is another array. This array has 3 rows and 8 columns. So the dimensions are 3 by 8. Here is the last array. There are 4 rows and 6 columns. So the dimensions are 4 by 6. Each one of these arrays can be shown in another way by switching the numbers of rows and columns. We can also have an array of 24 rows by 1 column, 12 rows by 2 columns, 8 rows by 3 columns, and 6 rows by 4 columns. All of these are also arrays for 24. Now we can list the factors for 24. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now let's use arrays to write the factors for 16. Here is one array for 16. The dimensions are 1 by 16. Here is another array with dimensions 2 by 8. There is one more array for 16. Its dimensions are 4 by 4. Now we can see the factors for 16. They are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. What is the area formula for triangles? We can use what we know about the area of squares and rectangles to find formulas for other shapes, like triangles. We start by thinking of a rectangle and looking for a pattern. Rectangle in half like this, we get 2 triangles. Using what you know about the area of the rectangle, how would you find the area of one of the triangles? The area of one of these triangles is 1/2 base 9 units times the height 4 units. Now we know the area of one triangle. This helps us see the formula for the area of any triangle. The area is 1/2 times the base times the height. Now we have a formula for the area of any triangle. Let's use the formula to find the area of a triangle. We know the area is 1/2 times the base times the height. This is the same as 1/2 times 8 times 3. We are multiplying 1/2 and 24. This tells us that the area of the triangle is 12 square units. Why did these steps work to find the area? What is the area formula for parallelograms? We can use the same kind of thinking to find the area of a parallelogram. If we look carefully, we see that a parallelogram is made up of a rectangle and 2 triangles. We take one of the triangles, move it to the other end of the parallelogram, we make a rectangle. This means the area of the parallelogram is the same as the area of the rectangle. The formula is area equals base times height. Let's use the formula to find the area of the parallelogram. The base is 7 units, and the height is 3 units. The area is the base, 7 units, times the height, 3 units, or 21 square units. The area of this parallelogram is 21 square units.